Hey class 8, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing here DAV Maths class 8, chapter 4, direct and inverse variation, worksheet 2, question number 2. So our question number 2 is, the science teacher asked the students of class 8 to make a project report on pollution. When 10 students work on it, the work get finished in 3 days. How many students are required so that work finished in 2 days? In this question we have given that the science teacher give a project report for students on the topic pollution. So 10 students work on it, they finish this work in 3 days. So we have to find here in this question that we have to require students to finish this work in 2 days. Firstly, we have to make a table for this question. Then we find that it is a question of direct variation or indirect variation. So let's do. Here, this is a table for this question. Number of students, number of days. Here, 10 students finish this work in 3 days. And we have to find a number of students we require to finish this work in 2 days. Here, this 2 is smaller than this 3. And 3 is greater, 2 is smaller. So, here the quantity is decreasing. So, here the quantity is decreasing. Here, 10 students are required to finish this work in 3 days. Here 10 students finish this work in 3 days. So if we want to finish this work in 2 days, so we have required more students. Then we have required more students. So here the value of x will be more than this 10. So here the quantity is increasing. Here when one quantity is increasing and another one is decreasing, so it is a case of inverse variation. And the formula of inverse variation is product of AB is equal to constant. Product of AB is equal to constant. Product of AB, this is 10 multiply 3. 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to x multiplied by 2. From here, we calculate the value of x here. X is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 upon 2 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. X is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. From here, x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 here. So, we require 15 students to complete this work or finish this work in 2 days. So, our answer of this question is 15. X is equal to 15 students. X is equal to 15 students. This is our answer of this question. So, that's all in today's video. And from question number 2 to question number 9. Question number 8. Question number 2 to question number 8. All questions are similar. Like this question number 2 and question number 1 that we do in the previous video. So in next video, we will continue with question number 9. That's all in today's video.